While I was living in Copenhagen, Denmark, my friend Anne, who was only 35 years old at the time, was diagnosed with a rare form of leukemia. She had a 2-year-old child who needed to be taken care of, so many days of the week I was with or near her. And this is how I witnessed for the first time what cancer treatment does to a person. At the same time, while Anne was sick, the brother of a friend back in the States was also diagnosed with cancer. He had some complications and his bills were starting to pile up. So his sister started crowdsourcing funds to help him pay for his treatment. The first time I saw the pictures posted on my friend's fundraising page, I was shocked. The images of this man lying in a hospital bed with tubes and machines around him, looking pale and sickly, reminded me of the most intimate times I had spent with Anne while she was going through her own ordeal with cancer. I think they were very much images that she wouldn't want posted on Facebook. That people had to broadcast their personal tragedies, often times of their lives at which they're most vulnerable, just to elicit enough sympathy so that they don't go bankrupt, affected me in a new way after being present for Anne's battle with cancer. Anne was lucky. She was covered in the national Danish health insurance system, so she never saw a bill for any of her treatment. Even with the support of the system, she still felt that cancer had robbed her of her dignity. But having to beg strangers on the internet for money so that you don't go bankrupt struck me as a new level of losing your dignity. Living in this safe little nest in Denmark, I felt kind of far from the fight and that I wanted to get more involved. So I started volunteering in the way that I could, just doing website and social media stuff for the Massachusetts single payer group. Taking those first few steps changed me because not only did I realize how much organizing work there was to do, but that even from across the pond I could do something. And that empowered me, and I started getting more and more involved. And finally, last year, I moved back to the States and became a full-time activist.